Wanna know how to convert a decimal number to hexadecimal in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, what we simply do is we just use this method, that is integer to hex string. So that's it. So we had just simply converted the integer into hex string right here. So we just simply pass a decimal number and it returns into hex string. So to make it look neat, we convert to uppercase. And that's optional though. Hex numbers are widely used in programming, callers and memory addresses. So you can just simply copy up this code right here, and I'm just going to show you by running it up. And there you go. Our hexadecimal of 255 is FF right here. That's it. Super simple and easy. Just a few lines of code and a method and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.